Hello friends, welcome to tutorialsrays, and in this video you are learning TypeScript. So guys, this is chapter number 7 where we will be seeing about operators. So guys, if you come from any of the programming language like JavaScript, if you know C, C++, PHP, any programming language if you know, then you won't have problem in understanding it. In case if you don't know any programming language, don't worry at all. I will try my best to explain you properly, because in document in this chapter you can see I have tried my best to explain the things, and also it's a comprehensive written book where you can read it, as well as I will try to explain you into this one only. So what is operators in this? I'm not going to read this theory. You take your time and read these theories and all thing. So operators are special symbols which is used to perform operation on variables, constant, on and values. They are core part of any programming language. As I mentioned before, it is a core part of any programming language and allow us to evaluate expression, modify data and control program flow. For example, this is called assignment operator. Here you can see this is not equal to. Actually in equal to we will use double equal to. So this equal to is here is called assignment operator. That means what? The value 10 is assigned into inside the left side. From right side the value is assigned from right side to the left side. So that is why it is called assignment operator. And here A is operand. A is operand. Left side, the left side is called operand, and the right side this is called operator. This equal is the assignment operator, as I told you before, and A is here operand. Now we will see there are different types of operators, just like other programming language also. The first one is arithmetic operators. Normally what happens in arithmetic operators means arithmetic calculation we do. For example, it's very simple: plus, minus, multiplication, division, percentage means modulo. No, with modulo what we do? A modulus operator. Normally we check the remainder. If we divide 9 by 2, then remainder will be 1. We will discuss more about this later, but this is modulus operators in programming language is called. Plus means it will increase 1 by 1. Minus means it will minus means it will be less 1 by 1. So these are called arithmetic operators. Let's see few examples. Now let me copy it and then I will call it as operators. Let's create another file called operators. Ts. Now let's paste it. You can see in the left side. So what we have done actually, AB 510 plus, we are doing addition, multiplication, and then here this modulus operator. For example, if we divide 5 into 2, then the output will be, so let's see, let's do one thing. Actually it will be not A divided by 2, 5 into 2 directly. So let's run this program. It's modulus, right? TSC, then operators operators.ts. now node operators.js. So you can see the output here. 15 means it is adding here 10 plus 2, 15, multiplying 50, and then it is displaying here 5. The remainder output is 5 because we are dividing the 10 by 5. That's why. This is very simple here. Now we will see relational operators, which is greater than, less than, greater than equal to, less than equal to, equal to. Actually this is comparison operator, not equal to. So it's self-explanatory. I'm not going to explain this in detail showing the example, but here you can see 5 and 10 if A greater than B. Here we are comparing here A greater than B, then output is false. If A not equal to b. If you put here this exclamation mark, that means it is not. This sign is for not, this one, not equal. So we are saying a is not equal to b, which is true because it is 5, a is 5 and b is 10. So both are not equal, that is why it is true. Logical operators. So in logical operators there are three mainly: and, or, not. In here you can see we are saying a greater than 5. We just take this example: a greater than 5 and b greater than 5. So if both the condition is true, this condition is fine, second condition is fine because b is greater than 5, but condition number 1 is false, that is why it says false. But if you use or condition here, means logical operator, if any one of these is true, then it will be true. And not operator, logical not operator, it is opposite. We are saying not a greater than b, not a greater than b. What we are saying, a is not greater than b, so it is false. Why? Because a is greater than 5, a is greater than 5, which is correct. It is not correct actually. A is not greater than 5 because a is equal to 5, so it's true. Then we are saying not a greater than 5, so it is logical, not negates the condition, means it is opposite, so that's why it is false. Example, condition 1 boolean true, this is false. End condition both should be true. In end condition both should be true, then it will be true. So here you see condition 1, condition 2, it is false because one is true, one is false, both must be true, but in this condition it is opposite, so it is false. That's it. Now here these are called assignment operator. Right side value is assigned to left, and here add and assign. First it will add, then assign, subtract, then assign, multiply, then assign, divide, then assign. For example, if the value is 10, then first it will add, so it is equivalent to a plus 5, a plus 5, so total will be how much? 15. Means first it will add 10 plus 5 and then it will be added here, equivalent to a plus 5. It is just like a plus 5. Okay, so now its output is 15. This is important. Ternary operator. What happens normally, if and condition we use curly braces, but in ternary operator we can write the expression in the same line. For example, the value number is 2, a is 2, b is 4. We are saying here it is like if a greater than b, if a greater than b, then so a, else so b, right, like this. So what will happen actually, a is greater than b, it is incorrect, then it will show b. So how it is evaluated, let me show you. If the condition matches, if it's true, then it will show this one. If it's false, then it will show this one. So since the condition is false, that's why it is showing b. So this is ternary operator. In a single line we are showing here. String operators means we can add two strings like this. This string operator plus sign like this. Type of operators, to check the type, means data type, this is called type of operators. For example, let number is 300, we are saying type of, it will show you number. What is the type, what is the data type? So guys, these were different type of operators: arithmetic operators, relational operator, logical operator, assignment operator, conditional operator, string operator, and type of operators. So hope you understand that how this works. and this kind of different operators we will be using in further videos also, means while you learning TypeScript and all that. So you won't have problem, but you practice with different examples, then you will get in-depth knowledge of this, and it's not hard, as you can see. So hope you like this video and you understand what I'm trying to say you. So that's it in this video. See you in the next video. We will meet in the next video and we will discuss about another chapter.